Hello my friends, I want to publish very important video tutorial to help you to fix one issue. When you have Ryzen 9 and Windows 11, I had that strange issue before I installed one important thing. My Ryzen 9 only task manager only has seen 16 cores. No, only 8 cores were visible and 16 threads. How to fix if you have the same problem? I will tell you now. Now we have all colors are visible. I have to check if some of them are inactive. All of them are active. I don't want to talk about parking, but I will talk about it later. Because you will need this program as well to unlock all the cores after when you make all the cores visible. You need to install Chipset driver if you have that problem, and depending what motherboard you have. If you have 3rd generation Ryzen 9, you can check which socket is this and what motherboard. You have to take Amd chipset drivers. And then you have to search for chipsets. AMD socket AM4. Then you have to choose ASUS. If this is your chipset or motherboard, then submit. We have chipset drivers. Oh, even for Windows 7. But only 1st generation of Ryzen is supported. For Windows 10, all of the generations are supported. You can see 3rd generation Ryzen. This is that one from 2019. We also have processors Zen 3, architecture Zen 3, 4th generation. This is 5th generation and 6th generation Windows 11 and AMD chipset drivers. Then you download the chipset drivers for Windows 11. You have support for Threadripper Pro. I don't know what version of that AMD Ryzen is. I have to check because I didn't do research. Oh, wow, this seems to be quite interesting. I had no clue about upcoming processors. Wow, wonderful, amazing. This is probably the newest one. I am very happy what I got. I cannot complain because I only paid £250 for my Ryzen 9 processor. You can get off eBay very cheap Ryzen 9 processor, and my temperature is quite low, 41 plus degree by default. I'm using air cooler. I'm using air cooler, aftermarket cooler, not water cooler, air cooler. Silence. Did I say correctly in English? I paid for that one, not water cooling solution. That one, I don't know which model, but they are really good. And you should be fine using air coolers, CPU coolers. I see some of them are quite advanced. I think that one I cannot exactly tell you because I didn't check. Oh, that one has W fans. Oh, I forgot completely to check what generation is this. Is this from last year? I wish I had lots of money to buy the newest Ryzen. I didn't do further research about this. Okay, never mind. I have to get. Oh, they are from current year. Wow, I didn't know about that. Okay, people, I will have to get back to you. Then you need a couple of things. That is why you didn't see probably all the cores running. You have to install a chipset drivers to see to solve that problem. Also check in msconfig boot advanced options. We have all of the threads. I hope you like my video tutorial, people. Make sure you install this application to be able to see what socket is, what generation of processor, and that one was quite expensive. Almost 5 years ago it was £720. I'm very happy when I got this processor. I did video encoding in Shortcut application and my temperature only reached 70 plus degree only during heavy encoding of video. Okay, see you people.